how to remove a background in Capcut. So here I have an example video that I want to remove the background of. So as you can see, it's just this subscribe thing. And if we want to remove this green background or green screen background, we will simply first click on the video itself. And then from here, we will choose cut out. It will be on the basic page, but you want to go to cut out. Then you want to highlight this chroma key. And we will use this tool here. So just click on this tool for the color picker. And then once we have selected it, we want to click on the background of the video that we want removed. So as you can see now, it has selected this cover that we want removed. And if we want to fully remove it, we will just drag this strength slider all the way to 100. And now as you can see, we no longer have a green background. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.